my next guest today is Robert Sitko from PBT Works. Nice to see you, Robert.
Hello, Trevor. Nice
Okay,
to see you.
thank you for coming in. So, you're very well known for producing a range of large batch cleaning machines. You've got the HyperSWASH and
HyperCLEAN,
the
exactly.
HyperCLEAN. They're both two. What are the differences between the two machines?
In those two newest models, we focus on bringing the, let's say, the inline performance into the batch format.
Mm-hmm.
So we want to give the customers small footprint but high power.
Yeah.
And the difference is in the mechanics. While HyperSWASH is the machine with the moving spray bars.
Yes.
They spray either vertically or they can clean boards in the baskets.
Mm-hmm.
So the customer can cover the whole range of high mix production and can clean challenging boards and can clean standard assembly boards very efficiently, very fast.
Very efficiently.
While the HyperCLEAN is the big chamber system for high volume cleaning of one type of board,
Mm-hmm.
or for pallet cleaning, any kind of maintenance, mechanical cleaning, solder oven filters and that stuff.
Right.
And
or stencils or things like that.
For instance, we have different products, I
Okay.
would say. HyperCLEAN is the machine with the moving basket and fixed spray bars.
Mm-hmm.
And again, both platforms are very flexible in the matter of different applications.
Right. Now, you've also got an interchangeable basket system. Is that for one of is that for the HyperSWASH or
For
is that
both.
for both?
For both. We want to get the downtime of the machine to the minimum.
Mm-hmm.
So the customer is loading and unloading boards outside of the machine on the quite convenient trolleys with different systems of frames and baskets depending on what kind of product he wants to clean.
Yep.
And he just removes the basket from the machine to the trolley exchange and the machine can start cleaning again.
Super. Okay. So let's talk about the chemistry, the water that you're using, deionized water, and how that's treated, because a lot of companies today are starting to look very seriously at sustainability and their practices around how they deal with wastewater, etc. How is it configured in your machines?
Yeah, since we are in the assembly industry for more than 30 years, then we typically set our machines in a closed loop configuration. So every liquid is 100% particle filtrated.
Yeah.
We have typically 3 steps process: washing, first rinse, second rinse. And in those big machines, we have a 3-step rinsing. We have wash, chemical isolation, first rinse, second rinse. And only the chemical isolation is the little volume of the water that goes to the drain, like 15 to 20 liters per cycle. The rest is closed loop filtrated by our own ion exchanger active carbon filters that are integrated in the machine. So our long-term goal, one of our goals, except with the high quality of cleaning, this is goal number 1. The second goal is the low consumption of everything.
Yes. So it either goes, but that waste can either go to the drain or it can go to drums. It could be
collected and
yeah.
then treated.
Yeah,
somehow.
absolutely. Okay. So, are you seeing any increases in the amount of companies that are cleaning boards? Is that sort of trend on the increase still?
Definitely.
Yeah.
It maybe is linked to increasing the number of high reliable products.
Yes.
Which we like because we like sustainability. I don't like wasting the electronic boards every year.
Yes.
I like that the boards are reliable, lasting long, or they are repaired and whatever.
Yeah.
And there are a lot of devices that have high reliability demand, and those are going to be cleaned. And also increasing demand on power electronics. It's another field where we can apply our machines.
Absolutely, great. Well, as I say, they're very well made machines, and they're really getting pretty well known here in Europe. So I want to thank you for coming in and telling us about them today, Robert.
Thank you very much, sir.